This video shows how to create a new local vendor. Type XK01 and press enter. Enter your company code and purchase organization. Now, click on Account Group. Select Z1LV. Press enter. Go to Title and click on drop-down button. Select the title. Enter vendor name. Click on Country. Select vendor's country. Click on Region. Select vendor's region. Now, click on Button. Enter any search term. It helps in searching the vendor. Enter vendor's address. Enter vendor's communication details. Now, click Next Screen. Again, click Next Screen. Again, click Next Screen. Click on Recon Account. Select 201,760. Now click Next Screen. Click on Payment Terms. Select your respective payment terms. Now click Next Screen. Click Next Screen. Click Next Screen. Click Order Currency. Scroll down. Select the currency. Fill the same terms of payment as filled in the last screen. 0001 selected. Click on Incoterms. Select your desired Incoterm. Fill Incoterm description. Click Schema Group. Select Z5. Now click Next Screen. Click Next Screen. Click Yes. Vendor 20,086 created.